We looked at Series B through Series F stats on board diversity and found that in fact something like 22 to tops 25% of tech boards have a woman on them, and that includes female investors. So once you strip out that number, the numbers get, of course, a lot lower.
Now, what people always say when this issue is brought up about women on boards is, well, we just can't find these women. Where are they? If you could just give us some, of course we'd put them on the boards.
And you're hitting it. You're hitting it. In fact, people talk about a pipeline problem, but in fact, when it comes to tech boards and private company boards, I feel like it's not really a pipeline problem as much as it is an access to networks problem. So when you think about this, there is a myth that there are 10, 50, 100 women who are qualified for tech boards, and in fact, they get all the opportunities. Yeah. So if you've sat on a board, of course, it's much easier to get your next board call. And we see that same problem
inside
of private companies. You need experience. But what's different about public company boards versus private company boards is inside of private company boards, particularly when you think about Series B, C, D, these earlier stages of a company, the independent board seat often goes unfilled. And number two, at that stage, what the CEO really needs is access to expertise and someone who has seen problems he may not have seen yet. Mm-hmm. Once you start to think about that lens, you quickly realize that there are plenty of qualified female leaders, particularly when we think about women who have run large divisions of companies, large divisions of tech companies, women who have managed through a lot of change, women with deep experience in a certain category, expertise, whether it's SaaS, whether it's finance, whether it's product management. And so in those earlier stages of company boards, there is both a need for great independent thought, and there is the opportunity to bring women in who are highly, highly qualified and sit outside the standard stereotype that says, well, gee, you have to be a female CEO in order to be qualified to serve on a board.
So how does it work? Does someone apply to be on this list? Do you select them?
Yes, I know. This is one of the fun things about the board list. It's early, but everybody's wondering how it all works. Our founding members or our charter members nominate women. You can identify a leading candidate by her experience, the stage of board she might be suitable for, her industry expertise, her functional expertise. You get to write about her superpowers. It's a very short and sweet endorsement, but we hope a powerful one. And then in turn, people can come in and search the board list who have an open board search in a Series B through, quite frankly, public company, and surface women who've already been nominated by the community with this very confidential but positive reference on why they would be a great fit. And really, we're trying to solve that top of the funnel problem, which is discovery.